Happy New Year, friends. Hope you are doing well. In this new year, I am going to start a new video series where I am going to discuss all my freelance 3D projects, local and international 3D projects, client and job oriented 3D projects that I have completed in previous year 2020. So friends, stay connected and please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's begin. Hello friend, how are you? Friend, in today's video we are going to discuss one of my project which I have recently completed. The project is about 3D modeling of a sofa, or you can say the interior furniture. So this the reference image which I got from my client, and my client want me to make a 3D model which should look as similar as this given reference image. I have to make the 3D model which look as same as the reference image. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss what are the inputs that I have received from my clients through emails and other mediums, and the reference images as input which I have got, and how I have made the model of this, how I have modeled the product. Okay, so this reference image I already shown you. These are all the reference images. You can say this is the side view. In Photoshop I have make a just line to make it symmetry. Okay, in 3ds Max you all know that we have a tool or option where we can symmetry the object. So here also my plan was to make a model only the half portion of that, and another half I will symmetry it. So that reason in Photoshop I had drawn this line so that my model should be divided equally, and I have to work only half portion of the model. Okay, and this is the front portion. So this also I have divided in equal parts. Here you can say, just for my reference I had done this so that I will focus all my work on modeling one part only, and then I will symmetry that. Okay, and these are the dimension of the model which I got, like 22 inches by 51 inches and 16 inches. And here are the details of the model of the raw files I have to make, which I got through the emails from my client, where it says that poly count, it should be less than 50,000 polygons. This should be low poly. Software I can use 3ds Max or Maya. If I am using 3ds Max, then I have to give the raw files that should open in 2018 version, or if I am going to use Maya, then I have to give .fbx or .obj file. Okay, and second instruction was given to me is like the unit scale should be 1 inches. It should be in 1 inches. Okay, let me show you how it is in 3ds Max. Here in 3ds Max you will go in customize. Here you will get the unit setup. So my client want that the system unit should be 1 unit equal to 1 meter. Here it is meter, but my client want it should be inches. Okay, this my client is saying here that in system unit 1 unit should be equal to 1 inches. Okay, it should be in real world dimension, and I have to use as 1 unit equal to 1 inches. So here I have to make a little bit of changes. 1 unit equal to 1 inches. Okay, and here it is decimal inches. That's fine. So it is done. And another instruction is object should be center of 0, space. Okay, it is quite clear. It should be on the center of origin. Let me create a little box. Okay, here it should be like this on 0 axis. And another instruction saying that Name and all. Okay, that's okay, fine. All unnecessary objects would be deleted if I'm using any kind of plane or camera here for reference. All that should be deleted before sending the final file. Okay, that is clear to me. That's okay. The mesh should be low poly. That's okay. Model should have open serve div. Okay, what here clients want to say that suppose this is the model, and while modeling I am using 8 table poly 1 2 3 4, and then I'm using unwrap and all. Okay, just for example I'm saying over here unwrap map and all, and then I'm using turbo smooth. Okay, so client want to say that all this should be open-ended, like if somebody is going to use this file after me, that person can easily make the changes over here. Okay, the person can easily open and close the turbo smooth option, and the unwrap UV option can be easily open and close, and your polygon option can be easily open and close. So this client wants to say that I have to make it as a open-ended, so that another person who is going to work on my file have don't face any kind of difficulties. Okay, now another thing is collapse should not be collapse. Okay, that's it. So these are the instructions which I got from my client, and the reference image I already showed you. So let's begin. Let's start the model process. So I will just just delete that. For that I have to bring all my reference images. In TDS Max file. I will create a plane over here, and it should be same as the image of the plane image should be matched to the dimension of the reference images. So I will just right click over here, properties and details. You will see the dimension of the plane is 720 by 720 pixels. Okay, hence uniform, it's a complete square. So here I will take like 720 by 720 is going to be huge. So I will take like 50 by 50, and then later on I can adjust that. I will use my image which I have make a little bit of changes in Photoshop, just that will help to my modeling process. Grid height, and I will create another copy of it. Copy, okay, and then another image. Okay, so my reference image I got, and I have to match the reference image a bit. This is my front portion, should be matched to my side portion. Okay, this is the front, this is the side. Okay, that will work. Okay, so this is done, and I just have to rotate, mapping on 90 degree. Just above the grid first. Okay, so my scene setup is ready. For reference I will create a small box of the given dimension here. Like my client have given a dimension to me that this sofa set should be this much height and width, 22 inches by 51 inches by 16 inches. Okay, 22 inches by 51 inches by 16 inches. Okay, so my model should be approximate this dimension. So I have to match my reference image as per my reference model. I will just make it see-through. Go to front view. Okay, so I have to adjust this a bit. Little bit adjustment is needed. Let me see. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Just adjusting my reference image as per my reference model dimension which I got from my client. I think that's enough. In the making process we'll adjust it more. So I will bring my model to the center of my axis, because at the end I have to get back bring my model or to the center of axis. So for now only I will get it at the center. I'll adjust this image a bit. Okay, done. Now I will create a layer where I will save my reference image separately. Okay, and my reference model separately. This box. Okay, and another layer for my sofa model. In this layer I'm going to create my model. So for the time being I will hide this reference box model. Then I will take cylinder, because I have to create this circular motion area over here to make this pore. So cylinder will be more helpful. Okay, like this. W, perspective Z. I have to take cylinder, perspective Z. Okay, and 4, side 8. I have made it before, that's why I know how much side is required. So I just took 8 sides. Height segment not required. Cap segment 3. Okay, with this pose it will be like this. Okay, I take radial poly 5 by angle. Okay, and then edit, select, invert, and then delete. I just need the front portion. Adjust the pivot point, center to object, front. Okay, it's gonna be I will scale it down later on. Let's just focus on getting the pore. I will go to layer. I will hide the reference also. This front view. I will adjustment. White or poly. Delete this. I just need one fourth portion only. Save. I make a copy. Okay, one. Here angle snap is on. Vertices and enable to access constant is on. Okay. Okay. Bit of adjustment. This trying to make it a perfect square. Okay. Strength. Wait. Let me first confirm it. Done. Then mirror. Okay, this is done. Okay, so this is my pattern is ready over here. Now I will focus only on one pattern. Okay, so I make the instance. Whatever changes I will do here, it will be done to all the patterns. I will take editor poly. Cut. And then we have to adjust it a bit. Just to make a bevel. Just try to make a bevel over here. Okay. Just adjusting a bit. Okay. Let's create a little bit of detail over here. Take another interior poly, cut. Not cut. Okay, so here I have to adjust the vertex a bit. Just snap it. Don't merge the vertices, just keep all the vertices in one place as much as possible. Just keep it in one place. Don't merge it, because I want all to be separated, all to be instant, so that I make changes on one thing and it will be copied to another thing. That's for that reason, don't merge and don't attach as of now. Keep it separate. Just adjust it a bit. Constant to edges. I'm looking for constant to edges. Yes. Making it as uniform edges as I can. Okay, just focus on this portion. Okay, done. Make a fine detail. Just refining it. Down. So down. Okay. Just to create wrinkles, it up a bit. And here you will see in reference image, if you see closely, you can see there is a depth over here. The edges is gone inside over here. Okay, over here you can see it is gone inside. It is like the edges has got inside over here. So this is what I will try to create. Okay, this portion will try to create. Okay, over here I will take a separate editor poly, so that if there is any mistake I can just switch it off. Okay, for that reason only I have taken so many editor poly. If I don't want any changes, I will just undo that. Okay, so I take vertices and I take a cut over here. I I need a cut. The center, this portion should go down a bit. Let me show you. 2. Let's do one thing, right click, chamfer, okay, and then here I will take vertices and then I will say cut. Let's click over here and then W2 control space 1. Okay, it's done. Now 4. This portion has to go down a bit. Now we can do one thing. Let's select it. Can here right click and extrude a bit. Okay, select tool over here and say like collapse 4, delete. Okay, some sort of this. Let's see how it will look when I apply turbo mode. Okay, now like this.